Hey friends, this is Pawan. The quality of razor can make a big difference in your overall shaving experience. I have been using this Gillette Fusion Proglide Razor, which has been more than enough for me. Let me tell you how. Built with a strong and sturdy material, this razor is equipped with Flexball technology. It allows the user to make maximum contact over contours and hence an even shave is achieved. It also has precision trimmer technology on the back of the cartridge, which you can use to shape your beard in the way you desire. Furthermore, it has enhanced Lubra strip with added lubricants, with a touch of mineral oil as well. Your face feels extremely smooth and clean after the shave. This razor uses 5 thinner blades, which further ensures an easy and smooth shaving experience. It is available in multiple variants such as Fusion Proglide Razor plus Beard Oil, Proglide Razor plus Aftershave Splash 100 ml, Proglide Razor plus Aftershave Splash 50 ml, and many more. Gillette Fusion Proglide Razor uses a Flexball technology to ensure that the face is shaved evenly with not a single strand of hair left. It happens to be very easy and safe to use on a regular basis.
Gillette Fusion 5 with styling back blade for a perfect shave and a perfect shape.